Hey there, wonderful peoples. Welcome back to our cozy little corner on the internet. Today we are diving into something that's close at your heart, makes our home the comfiest and coziest retreat. So grab your favorite blanket, snuggle up, and let's chat about the magic of cozy home decor. Ever wondered what makes a home feel like a warm hug? It is not about fancy stuff or big budget. It is about those simple touches that turns a space into your own personal sanctuary. We are talking about softened pillows and warm lights and all the things that make you go, ah, I could stay here forever. Now we have all had those days where you just want to wrap ourselves up in comfort. That is what cozy home decor is all about, creating a haven where you can kick off your shoes, relax, and forget about the outside world of a bit. And guess what? You don't need a degree in designs or a fat wallet to achieve it. We are keeping it real, relatable, just like catching up with our good friends. So, if you are ready to sprinkle a bit of warmth into your living space, you are in the right place. We are not here for our gram perfect homes. We are here for the real lived in and loved homes. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will be armed with ideas to turn your space into a cozy spot on block. Sound good? Great. Let's dive into the wonderful world of cozy home decor together. So, what is this cozy home decor buzz all about? Well, it is like giving your place a big, warm hug. Soft blankets draped over you, couch, warm toned colors all around, and furniture that practically invite you to sink in. Cozy home decor is about creating a space that feels like a snug sanctuary. You know the kind of place where you can kick back, relax, and forget the chores of the outside world. It is not about fancy or expensive stuff. It is about making your home a comfy cocoon where you can unwind. Cozy home decor is all about those little things that make a big difference. Think soft pillows that is practically beg you to nap and throws that are so fluffy you can't resist snuggling up. Oh, and don't forget about the lighting. Warm, soft lights can turn even the coldest room into a heaven. It is basically the art of making your space feel like a warm embrace using everyday stuff you probably already have. So grab your coziest blanket, find the perfect spot on the couch, and let's make your home the coziest place on the block. Creating a cozy vibe in your own space does not have to break the bank. Let's talk about some easy and fun dye projects that will add warmth to your home. First up, consider making personalized throw pillows cover. Grab some soft fabric from your local craft store and maybe even repurposing an old sweaters for that extra touch of sentiment. Sew and use fabric glues to fashion cover for throw pillows. This way you not only get a cozy look but also add a bit of your own style to the mix. Another budget friendly idea is crafting a photo display with fairy lights. Gather some of your favorite memories captured in photograph, family gathering, vacation, and even candid shots of your everyday life. String fairy lights on the wall and attach the photo with clips or clothespins. The soft glow of the light add warmth while the personal touch of your memories create a comforting atmosphere. This project not only brings coziness but also a sense of accomplishment, making your space uniquely yours without much hassle or expansion. As the season changes, so can the coziness of your home. Imagine the warmth of the snug blanket in winter or the fresh breeze through open window in summer. Making your space cozy is not a one size fit all deal. It is about adapting to the different vibe each season brings. During winter, focus on soft, plush textures. Think thick blankets and fluffy cushions, warm dip, lightning, creating a comforting embrace, making your home a retreat from the chilly winter weather outside. In summer, embrace lighter fabrics and bright, airy colors. Open up curtains and let natural light flood in for that easy, breezy feel. Considered adding touches like floral arrangements or bringing in greenery to capture the essence of the season. By adjusting your decor with the changing season, you not only keep things cozy but also stay connected to the ever shifting beauty of the world outside your window. Creating a cozy reading nook is like crafting your personal escape within the comfy corner of your home. Begin with the snug chair, think plush cushions and soft upholstery of that hugs you as you settle in. Position the chair near a window with natural light during the day and add a warm lamp for that perfect reading glow when the sun takes a break. Accessorize your reading nook with a blanket draped over the chair. Read up, embrace you in the warmth on cooler days. Creating a nature inspired vibe in your home is like bringing a breath of fresh air indoors. Imagine walking up to the soothing sound of nature right into your living room, by incorporating earthy colors like greens and browns. These colors mimic the calmness of the forest or the serene meadows, instantly making your space feel grounded. You don't need fancy items, simple touches like wooden accents or leafy green plants can work wonders. To enhance the nature inspired embraces, consider natural textures. Think about soft woven rugs that feel like walking on grass or the coziness of the knitting through resembling a warm hug. These tactile elements not only add to the visual appeal but also make your space tactility inviting. Embrace the simplicity of nature by opting for material like jute, bamboo, and cotton. This way your decor not only look good but also feels good. Remember, it is the little thing like the rustle of leaf or the feel of nature fibers that can turn your home into a haven of quality, making everyday a retreat into nature's embraces.